Hello viewers, as requested by some subscribers, this is a video on order flow analysis. This is a video on what is order flow analysis, why order flow analysis, and what are the benefits of it. This video is going to be in English, and at the end of this video, you will be understanding what is order flow and why we are using it in our trading system. So now let's get into the video. Before starting what is order flow analysis and understanding about order flow analysis, we need to know about the factors that moves the market, right? So what are the factors that moves the market is a first thing what we need to understand. The first thing is volume. Next is price. And third one is time. Okay. So what are these three things? So volume is nothing but a quantity or a lot, whatever getting executed. When we are a order flow trader, we have to look in volume on the basis of executed orders. The next thing is price. At what price level this executed volume got punched, orders get punched, right? To be clear, if you think that this is 1,000 rupee of XYZ stock, okay, at 1,000 rupees, what is the volume created? What is the buy or sell orders got executed? Okay, and time. So this time refers to whether we can be an intraday trader, we can be a positional trader, we can be a short term or long term, whatever it is. By using order flow analysis, you can successfully do a intraday trade, you can successfully do a positional trade. So now let's get into another slide. So now here you can see a short definition on order flow analysis. Order flow analysis is a tool. Remember, order flow analysis is a tool. It is not an indicator. It is not an indicator. Order flow analysis is a tool which shows the volume of buyers and sellers. It will show you the buyer on selling volume at specific price points. Okay, which is I explained in previous slide. And time. Okay. The thing what I need to explain you in this slide is you have to understand that order flow analysis is a tool which will show you our volume based tool. Better let me tell you like this. Order flow analysis is a volume based tool. It will show you the total of buying and selling order which got executed at a particular price level in your selected time frame. Okay, this is what order flow analysis is. Okay, now next, why we need order flow analysis is our next question. By using order flow analysis, you can see how other market participants are trading, whether it may be a buy, it may be a sell, whatever it is. How other market participants, you cannot see the market participants live or in front of your eyes. You can see how the orders got executed, how the volume is getting executed at particular price level. With this information, you can observe that how other participants are trading. And also it is a microscopic view on each and every candlestick. This thing you will get understand at the end of our video. Then before getting into order flow analysis, we need to know about limit order and market order. So what is limit order and what is market order? Limit order is nothing but if you feel that say some particular stock price is trading at 100 rupee. As a trader, you need to buy at 95 rupee. You will place your order in system like with limit option. It will get executed once the market will come to 95. If market moves to 110, 120 means it will not get executed. So this is known as limit order. And Let me explain you the market order also. And now the market order. Market order is nothing but if you want to buy a stock at 100 rupee, the minute you hit buy button, it will get executed. At that time, it may trade at 101, 102, whatever the price is. It will get executed at whatever the price level is, right? This market order is the executed orders, which we used to call it as aggressive buying or aggressive selling. Okay. Order flow analysis will give us this executed order information only. It will not show us the limit orders. Only the executed orders can move the market, right? Do you agree with me? Only the executed orders can move the market either up, either down, whatever the direction is. Hope you will agree with me in this pointer. Now, what are the things order flow analysis? What are the benefits of order flow analysis? So now let's get into the benefits of order flow analysis. Order flow analysis, when you started using order flow analysis, when the market opens itself, you can identify who starting to control the market at the open, whether it might be buyers or whether it might be sellers. You can find it at open of the market. That means by 9:15, 9:20 itself, you can identify whether there are much buyers or there are much sellers. Okay. Next thing is where smart money is involving. You might have heard the smart money concept in various videos, and by using order flow analysis, we have this facility to identify where the smart money is involving. Smart money is nothing but SLs and limit orders where the system orders are still in pending. Let's say if a market moves right like this, again it moves in a uptrend manner. Most as per price action, we will be buying at break point of this higher high, right? And our stop losses will be placed at this point. At some particular event, the market may fill to this level. Once it here hits this support zone, let me tell you this as a zone, support zone, the market will reverse to the highs again. This scenario might have happened even to you who is watching this video, right? So like this, the smart money, the SLs, what I mean to say is the stop losses will be placed here when you buy at this point, right? So now the market needs to come to hunt the stop losses and go back to the highs of uptrends, right? You can find these scenarios using order flow analysis. The next point, breakout and breakdown. You can also identify whether the breakout or breakdown which happens to a particular pattern, particular price action, whether it is a true breakout or breakdown. Okay. Next is exhaustion of buyers and sellers. All the scenarios cannot be explained in a single video, so that I just give a small briefs on each and every point, sir. So exhaustion, once the market is going up and a particular point, it will get reversed, right? How long these buyers can take the market up, that you can find in exhaustion of buyers. Next point is it shows the exact buy and sell trades. What a typical volume candle is not showing. You might have seen a volume candle when a stock is moving. There might be a small volume blocks under indicator. This is a volume indicator you can find in every trading terminals. I will show you that in next slide and explain it there. You can find out that whether there is a momentum. You can find out when the I have a exhaustion. I have explained it here itself, where stop hunting, which I explained in smart money concept. trapped buyers and sellers. It is also a kind of a smart money concept only. So all these things you can get from order flow analysis in a form of numbers. You can use the numbers to plan your trades. Now you can see a typical chart, and this is the volume candle I have mentioned you. Okay, this is the volume candle I have mentioned you. You can see that whether if the you can see that if the candle is green, volume candle will be green. If the candle is red, volume candle will be red. Based on this high lows only, you have to find out whether there is a volume. There is no or nothing based on this other than the height of the candle only. Let me show you how order flow analysis chart will show the same. Now you are looking at a order flow chart. For every candle there are some data from right and left. The data on right is buy orders which got executed. Remember the word again and again. Order flow analysis will show us the executed orders only, and this is sell orders. Okay, and now there are some more details at the low of each and every candles, which will show you whether in every single candle whether the buyers are in domination or whether the sellers are in domination. You can see that the candle is in a red color, and the data, we used to call this as delta, which is nothing but aggressive buy order minus aggressive sell orders. Okay, with this is the formula for delta. By this, whether we come to know whether the candle have a delta domination of buyers or sellers. Based on these information, we can plan our trades and execute our trades with most effective way. And this is all about what is order flow analysis, why is order flow analysis, and the benefits of order flow analysis. Hope you like the video, and if you like, please do click the thumbs up button, subscribe and share.